Hey plant fam! So weeds are already popping up in the garden, so it's time to use my Vevor weed barrier fabric and get it down, because I don't like pulling weeds and I don't want weeds in my garden. So lay it down with me. This thing is thick. I mean, it's thick. You can't tear it. So, I've bought some from Costco or other stores, big box stores, and that thing just tears with your little finger. This stuff doesn't do that. So if you need something thick to keep those weeds out of your garden, make sure you pick Vevor.